Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase and Salesforce. These two platforms are both popular for enterprise resource planning (ERP), and they offer a lot of similar features. But there are also some key differences that you should be aware of before choosing one over the other. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Quickbase? What is Salesforce? What are the similarities between Quickbase and Salesforce? What are the differences between Quickbase and Salesforce? Which platform is right for you? I hope this video helps you decide whether Quickbase or Salesforce is the right ERP platform for your business. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without writing any code. It's a great option for businesses that don't have a lot of in-house IT resources. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform that helps you manage your sales, marketing, and customer service processes. It's a very popular platform, and it's used by businesses of all sizes. What are the similarities between Quickbase and Salesforce? Both platforms are cloud-based, so you don't need to worry about installing or maintaining any software. Both platforms offer a wide range of features, including workflow automation, reporting and analytics, mobile access, integration with other applications. Both platforms are easy to use, even if you don't have a lot of technical experience. What are the differences between Quickbase and Salesforce? Quickbase is a more flexible platform than Salesforce. It's easier to customize and extend, and it can be used for a wider range of applications. Salesforce is a more mature platform than Quickbase. It has a larger user base and a more extensive ecosystem of partners and developers. Quickbase is generally more affordable than Salesforce, especially for small businesses. Which platform is right for you? The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs. If you're looking for a flexible and customizable platform that's easy to use, then Quickbase is a good option. If you're looking for a mature and well-supported platform with a large user base, then Salesforce is a good choice. Here are some additional factors to consider when making your decision. The size of your business, your budget, your technical expertise, the specific features that you need. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Quickbase and Salesforce. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase or Salesforce, I encourage you to check out their websites or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.